What's up, Potato Bros, and welcome back to me trying to learn Unity before the Jamsepticeye game jam is due. So we got 10 days still. I only recorded one video before this, and I went through the 5 other steps of this. Didn't really get that far. I poured hot coffee on myself. And if you don't know, now you know. Right now I'm just kind of reading through this information stuff. I saw over here on the left side there's all the stuff we've already checked off as doing. So now we got 6, 7, and 8 to read, and then it gets into, I think, video tutorials. I'm pretty sure. And then we can start doing stuff like that. If it's not the video tutorials, I might go to where the video tutorials are instead first to kind of get a gist of what's going on there. And let's get into reading this, I guess. Step 6, or part 6, or whatever. Don't have Unity yet? Install it for the first time. I've got Unity. I've got a version of it. I'm not sure. I forget what it's called again. The Unity Hub. Wink, wink, wink. If you already have Unity Hub installed on your computer, skip to the next step to install the recommended version. I've already got that. Already have Unity Hub, install Unity 6. If you already have the Unity Hub, but you have an older version of Unity installed on your computer, follow these instructions, install Unity 6. From the Unity Hub, select the Installs tab. To select the Install Editor button to install a new version. Under the Unity 6 release section, select the Install button for your platform. On the Add Modules page, select the available option under DevTools. To install a complete or compatible coding application. Alright, so we're going for Visual Studio. Okay, let's see. Make sure we're not falling behind. We got to go to Installs, Install Editor. We got Unity 6.2, but there's 6, and that's what they're talking about, right? Unless they haven't updated this, I don't know. We got 6.2. I think that would probably. It's also the recommended version. I don't know, man. Should we install 6.0? Part of me's thinking they just completely forgot that they had to update it. Anyways, we got to go to Add Module page and DevTools. Where would we find that? I guess this would probably be the version for now, then. Not seeing window. Oh, wait. I'll click this too. I don't know. That should be right. I don't know. I'm just kind of spitballing here because things are a bit different with 6.2. It's installing. Alright. Let's continue reading, I guess. Alright, it's gonna take a little while, it says. Next steps. You're probably eager to try out the Unity editor. To get started, proceed to the next tutorial in Unity Essentials. Yay, we got 10 XP. Very nice. I'm gonna rate it 4 stars because I don't know. Never mind. Whatever. Alright, next tutorial. Alright, so this is all reading stuff, but there were... How many of these does this go? Okay, I guess we will go through all this and then we'll go to the video stuff, if I remember. Because this is probably the first place you want to start to get the basics. Let me get a sip of this coffee real quick. And then in between episodes, I'm gonna probably play some video games for more content. Damn, that thermos works well though. Keeps the coffee hot in it. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Alright, part 1 of the tutorial section. Open the Unity Essentials project. Oh, we probably might have to wait till everything's downloaded actually. Now I think thinky winky about it. This is about 14%. So maybe I'll check and see if I can find. So this is where you can earn money, I guess. Real Giant Music is another project of mine. I created Real Giant Music as a placeholder and stuff. So like it kind of translates to a lot of my profiles. It's gonna be like kind of like almost like a Lyrical Lemonade, but it's just gonna be like a record label kind of pretty much. But mixed with my favorite artists in the future. And we're also gonna have Real Giant Music festivals and stuff like that. I'm a very ambitious guy of sorts, kind of. So ba 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 ba. Where would I find the tutorials? So there, it's under pathway. I know it's a pathway type thing. I guess I can just search it. I don't think we really need this window open right now. Ignore if you see some questionable searches. Maybe there isn't more video stuff like I thought. Okay, we are on the right path, I guess. I thought there were more video tutorials coming, but apparently not. There are probably most definitely video tutorials out there that I can find, though. So I'll probably be looking at some of those going forward on into the future. Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. If you don't know, now you know. This is the project I'm working on. We've got 10 days and 12 hours to learn video game development. I don't know anything about it. I'm just kind of doing it at my own pace. I'm not rushing things, and I'm not going to chop up my stuff. It's also a commentary type thing, so you can be a little entertained also. Jacksepticeye is collaborating with Ducky Dev to do a game jam, and this is my first attempt at any kind of game jam thing. Right now there's 2,529 people joined already. I'm one of them. What's this about? The community. Oh, people can look for voice actors and stuff. Huh. Could be very cool to start collaborating with people also in the future. I know a little bit about Python coding, not much at all though. Maybe we'll do some more video game development content also in the future. Making actual games. Well, I am going to attempt to make an actual game, but we're learning for just for now. Let's see, 65% on that. We'll see if we can do any of this stuff while that's still downloading. Alright, ready to start with Editor Essentials. In this tutorial, you'll open the Unity Essentials Pathway project from the Unity Hub. Then you'll decide whether you'd like to complete the pathway on Unity Learn or directly in the editor. 1. Overview. This tutorial, you'll open the Unity Essentials project directly from the Unity Hub. So like this, is this what you're talking about? Let's read that again, make sure. Unity Essentials project. I'm gonna guess probably. Alright, we got a new project opened up. Is this it? Is that what they're talking about? Is this gonna do the thing I was hoping it would do and put me in the, like, the actual thing while learning? There's also this one. Brief guided tour. You'll learn about the core parts of Unity Editor and build your first scene. I can create that, but I can't create one of these. I'm downloading a template. I guess I'll download these templates while we're at it. And we'll start with this. Project name. Jamseptic guy 1. Tutorial tour. What is this? Unity version control? Track changes to your project and collaborate with teams. I don't need to collaborate with teams. I'll put that on desktop. On desktop, y'all. I guess we'll start there. We're opening it up. It might need to wait till the download's done downloading or updating or whatever. Hopefully we're doing good. Alright, it's loading. Before you begin, make sure you have Unity Hub and Unity version 6.0 or newer installed, which we're guided through in the previous tutorial. Tip: if you're not sure how to install or update Unity, follow these. Yep. Once you're ready, continue steps to launch your project. Oh. To get started, you'll launch Unity Essentials project using Unity Hub. Oops. Alright, so we're not going to do the get started with Unity. I guess we're going straight to Essentials pathway instead. We're going to let this tutorial thing load up, maybe? Maybe not. I don't know. Hold up. E. I'm probably gonna end that there. Sorry, there wasn't really much to learn off of this, but we'll come back once everything's ready, and then I think we're gonna just let this load up so that it's all good and ready for next time. Not next time, but we're gonna try to go to that Essentials Pathway tutorial instead, since that's the way we're kind of following right now. Even though I feel like that first one would be more, you know, since it was labeled as the first one, it was automatically installed as, you know, the thing you go to. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time, Pugtato Bros. Bye.
A pug in the dark with a potato heart, gaming through worlds where the shadows start, creeping and crawling where puzzles dart. Who's the hero? It's me, that's the part. Elite Pugtato, let's go, let's go. Spud with a mission, stealing the show. From horror chills to puzzles that glow. Elite Pugtato, you already know. Jump scares, beware, I'm still right here. The pug that fears nothing, not even fear. Indie dreams and haunted streams, I'm the potato king of eerie scenes. Elite Pugtato, let's go, let's go. Spud with a mission, stealing the show. From horror chills to puzzles that glow. Elite Pugtato, you already know. Potato paws on the keyboard. Pug life's what I'm here for. Atmospheric worlds to explore. Every click unlocks a lore.